Are you ready to tap into your hidden artistic potential and discover the magical world of drawing? It may seem a little daunting at first, but with the right guidance and understanding of the three elements such as perspective, value and composition, they'll be getting you well on your way and give you a solid foundation to be able to create anything that your heart desires. Hi, I'm Smitesh Mistry, an illustrator and content creator based in London. With over a decade of drawing experience, I've gained a wealth of knowledge and developed a variety of skills and techniques which allowed me to turn my wildest imaginations into reality. Through my journey, I've learned that drawing isn't a one-time event. It's something you have to continuously do in order to keep learning and developing. I invite you to join me in this class where we'll be discussing and learning about the fundamentals of drawing. We'll be starting off with a warm-up exercise to get you in the right mindset and get you used to the pencil. Then we'll be moving on to three main sections. We've got perspective, value and composition. In the perspective lesson, we'll be taking you through the three main types, 1, 2 and 3-point perspective. Then we'll be moving on to value, where I'll be teaching you how you can create value with the three different types. Then we'll be moving on how you can apply this and understand lighting to make your drawings look a lot more realistic and 3D. And then we'll be finishing off with composition, where we're making sure your whole drawing looks nice and pleasant to the eye. And then we'll be rounding off the full class with a project where we'll be applying everything that we've learned in 4 sketches. I'll say this class is perfect for someone who's never drawn before, never held a pencil, and wants to learn to draw. And don't worry if you've got no experience, because in this class I've created a bunch of resources which you can use along the way, which will help you in each section. And because the materials we'll be using will just be a pencil and a paper, so it's open for everyone. You don't need no special equipment, so don't worry about that. However, if you have been drawing for a while and you do use an iPad, then do feel free to participate in this class whilst using the iPad too. Imagine being able to tell stories, communicate complex ideas, and express yourself creatively, all through the use of art. In this class, I'll give you the basic foundations and understanding for you to be able to do that. With any great idea comes a strong skeleton, and with the foundations that we're going to learn in this class, it'll give you the strength and the ammo in order to create anything that your imagination can think of, letting you create endless masterpieces. Drawing for me is more than just creating. It has brought me joy and opportunities to work with amazing people, and for me to create anything that my imagination can think of. And for me to be able to share that with you gives me immense joy, as the joy that is given me, I cannot wait for you to experience this too. Okay, so if you're ready to start your drawing journey, let's grab your pencils and your paper and let's get to it.